What's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet. And today I'm going to show you how you can get started making an hourly rate. And I'm talking about $12 to $15 an hour. It's a competitive amount of pay, and you can do this from the comfort of your own home, just surfing the web. I'm talking about surfing like Google, Yahoo, Bing. If any of this sounds appealing to you, you're gonna wanna stick with me through this entire video. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can apply, exactly where you need to go, and exactly how to get started with these 3 different websites that we're going to be talking about today. They are 100% legit. This works worldwide. So if you are a stay-at-home mom, a college student, or just somebody that requires a flexible work schedule and you want to start your own home business, or you just want to get started working online and you need that actual pay, right? Because when you start an online business, it takes a little bit of time before you build up enough momentum to where you're actually making some actual money. So if you want to be able to quit your job, stay home, and actually start making an hourly rate, this is exactly how you're going to want to get started, because you can start doing this from home, make an hourly rate, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can transition from this and build your own full-scale, online business and take this through the roof and have a life-changing substantial amount of money at the very end of this video. So if any of this sounds appealing to you, you're going to want to stick with me all the way through this entire video, because I am going to show you how you can get started changing your life today. I believe in you, and I think 2020 is your year. So let's get started. Let's get straight into this video. Whoa, real quickly here, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you are going to want to do is make sure that you are subscribed, because I talk about the best money-making strategies on the internet to put money in your pocket and help you start your own home business so that you can break free from your 9-to-5, just like it says right up here at the top. So below this video, you're gonna see a subscribe button. Make sure that you smash that right now. Hit that bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with at least 2 to 3 very important videos every week teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet. If you wanna cheat and you wanna actually get started today, you're ready to make a decision and you want to start your own home business, you guys, this is exactly where I got started 9 months ago, and I have had phenomenal success. If you know anything about my story, I have spent the last 15 years wasting so much of my time, wasting so much of my money. If you want an actual step-by-step process of someone that will actually hold you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to be doing to actually scale a full-scale business through the roof and make a substantial amount of money, you're going to want to click right up here where it says learn how to make money online. Follow that red arrow. I've also left it down in the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. Do not miss that. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video and show you exactly how you can start making $12 to $15 an hour just surfing the web. You guys are absolutely going to love what I have for you today. Alrighty, let's get started making money online. Dive straight into this, you guys. I want to help you make your first dollar online. This is very, very important to me. That is exactly what this channel is all about. We're going to be talking about 3 different, very specific websites today that I'm going to be referring you to. I'm not an affiliate with these guys. I do not get paid anything for referring you to these websites. Just purely my knowledge and research and my personal experience and how you can get started making money online. This is my strategy that I recommend to every single one of you that want to transition and actually start making money online. Or if you're just a parent that needs to stay home and you need a flexible work arrangement, or maybe you're a college student or anything like that, this is a great way to get started making money online. You come down here and actually check out this little video that they have right here. This is a very inspiring little video that they put together where they're talking about the different types of individuals that they're actually requesting and seeking out to get started making money online. These guys are available in 130 different countries. I believe they're requesting people that speak 180 different languages or something insane like that. But for the purpose of this video, we want to be focusing right here where it says raters. This is exactly how you can get started making money online simply browsing the web. You guys, we're talking about surfing the web, searching sites such as like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and running search queries on different types of social platforms as well. It's a great way to get started with a flexible, part-time, home-based work arrangement that requires a computer and or mobile device. So even if you don't have an actual computer, but you have a smartphone, you can get started doing this as well, just from your mobile device. That's awesome, you guys, because now that opens up the opportunity to everyone that doesn't have an actual desktop computer. But the more devices that you have, the more opportunities that you have to make even more money. I do want to point out as well that they have other work at home opportunities available on this website. This is not what we're focusing on today, but they are a great thing to check out as well. They have language jobs. So if you speak different languages and stuff like that, they have flexible work arrangements for people that want to do transcription and translation and linguistics. If you have a degree in linguistics, they absolutely love that as well. So check that out if you know different languages. They also have different micro tasks. These are simple tasks that can be completed in about an hour from the comfort of your own home. They also even have corporate job opportunities available. But for the purpose of this video, we are sticking to right here to where it says Raiders. So we're gonna click right here. Now, once you've clicked on that apply button, you're gonna be brought over to this page right here. And there's some very specific things that you're gonna wanna pay close attention to so that you can actually continue the application process. And there's some other things that I wanna point out that will help clarify any of the questions that you have. So once you arrive here, it's gonna tell you exactly how you continue the application process, you guys. You're gonna come down right here to where it says, in what country do you live? They have 130 different countries that you can select from. Once you select that country, it's going to prompt you with a registration form. You'll complete that short registration form, and once you complete that registration form, you will be screened for eligibility. They look for candidates in a wide range of experience in social media, web search, mobile device usage. So again, anybody that's carrying around a smartphone, translation or transcription experience. So anyone that's speaking other languages or wants to participate in transcription jobs as well, and people that have actual degrees in linguistics. If you don't have a degree, that's fine. Don't worry about that. That is not required. They have some examples on here of different opportunities available. We've kind of already touched upon this, but I want to point out this one up here at the top, because this one is the one that we're specifically talking about today. This is search media evaluation, working with the world's top search engine companies, you guys. And we're talking about sites, again, like Yahoo, Bing, and Google, and running search queries. Almost everybody nowadays knows how to search the internet, as long as you're paying close attention to detail and following their instructions and actually providing an actual rating for the different queries that they're asking you to run. You can get started making money literally at home surfing the web. It does not get better than that, you guys. I absolutely love that. If you're someone that is into search media evaluation as well, you can even do social media, help improve social media around the globe as well. And we're talking about, social media applications such as like Facebook, IG, Twitter, all the top social media platforms. So if you spend a lot of time on those, you can get started making money online just browsing those and providing feedback on those as well. And I won't talk about the other ones because those are the other opportunities available, but there's tons and tons of opportunities available on here. So you'll continue the application process right here at the bottom. If you have more questions, they have other tabs right up here at the top that I want to point out. They have a great frequently asked questions section right here, where they'll break down exactly how you get paid, exactly what they're expecting from you, all kinds of great information right here. They even have the requirements, general requirements. By the way, you must be at least 18 years of age to become an app agent. They tell you about the different equipment that's required, high-speed internet access, a personal computer running Google's Chrome or web browser, and up-to-date antivirus and anti-spyware software installed on your computer. They even talk about the basic skills requirement that is required here as well. So you have to have excellent web research skills and analytical abilities. Very, very simple stuff here, you guys. If you can search the internet, you can get started doing this. It's so simple. They also ask that you have excellent comprehension and written communication skills as well. So you need to be able to comprehend things and also have written communication skills. They have a great overview, again, where they're talking about having no set hours or schedules, exciting research work available, and competitive pay here, you guys. And the competitive pay is anywhere between like $12 and $15 an hour from my research and my experience of working with Appen. Now, the next website that I want to talk to you about is actually called Raider Labs, and Raider Labs was actually bought out by Appen not too long ago. So it's very, very similar to Appen, you guys. You can come here and check this as well to see what different opportunities are available on Raider Labs versus the Appen website right here that we were looking at, but they're very, very similar. This third website that I want to talk to you about is called Lionbridge. You can get here by typing lionbridge.com into your web browser, press enter. It's going to bring you to this page. I've also left a link down in the description. And again, you're going to see on this page right here, and this is actual page that I highly recommend that you check. Lionbridge is very, very reputable, you guys. They have a ton of great jobs available. It's very, very similar to Appen. Where you're going to want to focus your attention is right here where it says testers, raters, and curators. They're calling all home-based workers and university students. Their community would love to welcome you. This is where you want to click right here where it says learn more. They have a ton of different jobs available on this website as well. It's very similar to Appen, just like I was saying. They even have interpreters, translators, and stuff like that. Corporate jobs available on this one as well. So for this example, we're going to click right here where it says learn more for the testers and raters one. It brings you over here. I actually thought this testimonial that they have on the side right here was actually really cool as well. This was Jane from Minnesota. She's a social media assessor. She says, this has been one of the best jobs I've ever had. I feel like I have real input into shaping internet results. This is a job perfect for me. It's so flexible in terms of hours, variety of tasks, no commute to work, and I can pick up my kids every day from school. So this is exactly what I'm talking about right here, you guys. This is the lifestyle that, I was after, the lifestyle that I wanted to live, where I could set my terms and my work arrangements. Checking out right over here in the center, if you hover over all these different little orange dots, these are different regions of the world where you can actually select your country that you live in and want to actually apply for. So for example, I live in the United States, so I'm going to click right here on the United States. But if you hover over these other ones, you can see all the different countries that they have opportunities available in. So for the purpose of this one, I'm just going to click on right here where it says United States so we can see what jobs are available in the United States. So now this first one right up here at the top, work from home ads assessor in the United States. You can read through all the different jobs descriptions right here. They even tell you on the side right here what language they're preferring for people to apply for these different positions. So if you speak English, obviously you'll select the ones that you can actually speak English. If you speak Japanese, German, French, Spanish, this is another opportunity, you guys, where people that speak all kinds of different languages, this is great for them. And most of the opportunities that you're going to see on this page right here are for search engine evaluation. This one right here is a rater for someone that speaks Spanish. This job involves analyzing and providing feedback on text, web pages, images, and other types of information for leading search engines. Again, using an online tool. For this role, we are seeking candidates that speak in both written and verbal English and Spanish. So if you're bilingual and you speak English and Spanish, this would be a great option right here for you. So you can click these and read more in detail about these. And this webpage right here is a great frequently asked questions section where you can click on that, get a ton of great information on exactly what you need to be doing to apply for these. And that's very, very important. You want to pay close attention to detail to everything that they're telling you, so you have the best opportunity of actually landing one of these positions and start working from home and start making money. Alright, you guys, so don't forget to check down in the description for the links to all of the web pages that we talked about today that you can actually go out there, apply, and actually get started doing this. The best thing that I can recommend that you do is you actually take action on everything that you learned today. The difference between people that fail and succeed are the ones that actually learn something new and they take action on it. I believe this is your year. I believe this is your year to actually break free, start working from home, and have a flexible work arrangement. Ultimately, what I recommend is you check out my #1 recommendation down in the description. It's at the very top, you guys. What I ultimately recommend you do is you transition into working from home, having this flexible work arrangement. Take that money that you're making and invest it in yourself. Create your own online business. You guys, 9 months ago is when I got started, making money online. I started my own online business. By the way, you can be up and running within 15 days. I have a whole team of people that are willing to reach out to you and help you get started and help you, launch your very own online business that you can actually scale through the roof and live a real, laptop lifestyle. If you want real-time freedom and you want, a significant amount of money online that you can scale through the roof, you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. That is where it's at. It's in the top of the description. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to drop a comment, even if you just say make money online. Let me know where you live. Let me know any questions that you have. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. Peace.